I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today has been crazy busy, but so much fun. I feel like I got so much accomplished. God, I cannot tell you how important it is to focus on the outcome you're trying to get to instead of the task you're trying to do. Has made me way more productive, but that's a whole different story. I wanted to jump on here tonight and talk to you about what are you doing in order to take your game to the next level. Far too often, we sit around and we let life happen to us. We just assume that things will get better. And if we keep working hard, if we keep pushing it, we keep grinding it out, that we're going to get better, our life will get better. It might. But if you really want to get better, if you really want to take your game to the next level, instead of grinding it out, instead of working really hard, I want you to find someone else who's been where you want to go and model what they do. Follow them, study them, figure out how did they get here? What were the techniques? What were the tactics that they used in order to get these results? See, if you model someone who's already got what you want, your life will be infinitely better because now you're following a proven process. You're not winging it. You're not trying to create something. You're just modeling it. You're going step by step, working to get to where you want to be. And you deserve to be there, by the way. So many people think, I'm not worth it. But that's not true at all. You deserve everything you want out of life. But no one's going to give it to you. So you want to get it? Go get it. Make it happen. Push. Learn. Grow. Don't just sit and wait for someone to come along and be like, dude, you've been working real hard. Here's $100. Because that might happen. But chances are, and that was only with $100, chances are no one's ever going to be like, dude, you're killing it. Here's $1 billion. No. You've got to go out and create that value. You've got to go out and help the world. You've got to give back in such a huge way that everybody else wants you to win. They want you to make money. That is how you change the world. That is how you find success. You find a problem and you help people solve it. That's all business is. One thing I'm doing, because I am constantly growing, constantly learning, I am going to Business Mastery in August. And I've put together this whole plan. We're doing a VIP experience. So if you've ever thought about going to Business Mastery, Tony Robbins' program, love to have you as a guest if it's a good fit. I've rented a mansion. I've got 12 bedrooms and it's a true VIP experience. So I'm being real selective with who I bring with me. But if that's something you'd be interested in, reach out because it's going to be a ton of fun. We are going to make massive progress on our businesses because all 12 of the companies there are going to help each other. It's a mastermind. We're going to come in a few days early and focus on sharing what we're doing in order to get to the next level and then helping each other by providing feedback and answering questions and figuring out how can we go further, faster. And the answer to that is we go together. When you try to do something on your own, it always takes longer. 2 heads are better than 1. 12 heads are better than 2. So if you would like help going to that next level, if you'd like to join me at Business Mastery, comment below or send me a message. We'll have a conversation and see if it's a good fit for everybody involved. But I just wanted to say, I wanted to challenge you. What are you doing to learn and grow faster? Think about it. Figure it out. Make sure you have someone you model. Make sure you have a mentor in your life that can help you get to that next level because you deserve it. I promise you, you deserve it. So please think about it, study on it, focus on it. with all that said, I hope you have a fantastic day. If I can serve you in any way, please reach out to me. I'm here to be of service, and we'll talk to you all tomorrow. See you guys.